Is your front door blocking your prosperity? Have you ever felt that something in your home's energy just doesn't feel right? Maybe luck hasn't been on your side, or perhaps stress has found its way into your family's daily life. It may sound surprising, but the entrance to your home, your front door, could be playing a much bigger role than you realize in shaping this energy. Today, we'll be uncovering the hidden secrets behind your front door that could be silently preventing wealth, happiness, and positive energy from flowing into your home. In many cultures, the front door is considered a gateway to prosperity, happiness, and good fortune. But if your door is damaged, neglected, or cluttered, it could be blocking positive energy from entering your space. But here's the good news. With a few mindful adjustments based on both Feng Shui and Buddhist teachings, you can transform the energy of your front door and invite wealth, harmony, and happiness into your home. In today's video, I'll share 7 transformative tips rooted in Feng Shui and Buddhist teachings to make your front door a powerful magnet for wealth and harmony. And stick around to the end for a special tip to supercharge your home's prosperity energy. Let's open the door to a new level of success and abundance together. Many people focus on decorating the inside of their homes, but did you know that the condition of your front door has a direct impact on your ability to attract abundance? Leaving this crucial entrance unattended or neglected can create energetic blockages, much like closing off the most important path to success in your life. A worn-out door, cluttered entrance, or poor lighting could be the very things blocking your prosperity without you even realizing it. In Feng Shui, the front door is the gateway to the energy or qi that enters your home. It's often referred to as the mouth of qi because this is where opportunities, prosperity, and positive energy flow into your life. In Buddhist teachings, the connection between our outer environment and inner world is essential. Our home reflects the state of our mind, and neglecting the energy around the front door can block the flow of abundance and peace. The Buddha taught that our external actions mirror our internal state. If your front door is poorly maintained or lacks vibrancy, this can symbolize an unwelcoming attitude toward the blessings the universe offers. By improving the energy around your entrance, you are not just enhancing your living space, but also aligning with the principles of mindfulness, compassion, and prosperity that are core to both Feng Shui and Buddhism. Tip number 1. A beautiful and welcoming door. In Buddhism, everything we do should be done with mindfulness and right intention. Your front door, as the main gateway into your home, should be a reflection of your desire for peace, prosperity, and happiness. The door should not be an afterthought. If it appears neglected or unappealing, this suggests a lack of awareness about the energy flowing into your life. While Feng Shui suggests that red is a traditional color to attract wealth, the deeper teaching here is that your front door should make you feel joyful. In Buddhist terms, the beauty of your surroundings can inspire a sense of peace, which in turn creates positive vibrations that welcome opportunities. So, it's not just about the color, but how the door makes you feel proud, welcomed, and peaceful. Remember, in Buddhism, beauty is not superficial. It is connected to the inner state of harmony and mindfulness. Tip number 2. Enhancing with wreaths or flowers. In both Feng Shui and Buddhism, the natural world is a source of life and energy. By placing a wreath or flower basket on your door, you invite the essence of nature to interact with your home's energy. In Buddhist teachings, flowers represent impermanence and the transient beauty of life. By embracing seasonal decorations like wreaths or flowers, you align with the natural cycles, reminding yourself of the continuous ebb and flow of energy. A well-chosen wreath or plant can serve as a symbol of mindfulness, bringing attention to the ever-changing nature of life. In doing so, you create an open and welcoming atmosphere for positive energy to flow into your home. Just as the Buddha taught us to accept change as a natural part of life, decorating your door with seasonal elements reminds you to embrace new beginnings. Tip number 3. Plant life to uplift energy. Plants are a symbol of life, growth, and prosperity in both Feng Shui and Buddhism. In Buddhist teachings, we are taught to nourish life and tend to the world with compassion. By placing 2 planters on either side of your front door, you symbolize balance and harmony, important concepts in both traditions. The act of caring for your plants reflects the Buddhist principle of right effort, the practice of nurturing the things that contribute to well-being and growth. Healthy, vibrant plants represent vitality, while neglected, withering plants reflect stagnation and decay. Just as spiritual practice requires constant effort, your environment also requires attention. By nurturing your plants, you are symbolically caring for your own journey toward prosperity and happiness. However, be mindful not to block the entrance. Too many plants or clutter can obstruct the flow of energy, much like how attachments in life can obstruct spiritual progress. Keep the area around your front door clear so energy can flow freely, inviting wealth and opportunity. Tip number 4. Choosing the right doormat. In Feng Shui, a doormat is an important symbol because it is the first surface energy encounters before entering your home. In Buddhism, this relates to the concept of right action, which encourages us to clear away obstacles in our path. A clean, high-quality doormat sends a message that your home is a place of respect, care, and intention. Think of the doormat as a symbolic way to cleanse the energy before it enters your home, just as we cleanse our minds through meditation to prepare for deeper spiritual insight. By choosing a doormat that is beautiful, clean, and meaningful, you are setting the stage for prosperity to enter smoothly and with grace. Tip number 5. Enhancing with light. Lighting plays an important role in Feng Shui, as it is a major enhancer of qi. In Buddhist symbolism, light represents wisdom and enlightenment, the ability to see clearly and dispel ignorance. Just as wisdom illuminates our spiritual path, having good lighting at your front door ensures that opportunities and prosperity are drawn to your home. If you have 2 lights on either side of the door, this brings balance, much like the Buddhist teaching of the middle way, which advises avoiding extremes and staying centered in all aspects of life. Lights are not only practical but symbolic of the clarity and focus you need to attract the right kind of energy into your home. Tip number 6. Maintain and fix your door. A broken or stuck door creates frustration, just as unresolved issues in life cause unnecessary suffering. In Buddhism, there is the teaching of right diligence, making consistent efforts to resolve problems and maintain a path of well-being. A door that doesn't function well represents obstacles in life that prevent the flow of new opportunities. By fixing your door, you remove those obstacles and open yourself to fresh possibilities. Just as we must remove hindrances from our minds to allow spiritual growth, we must ensure that our physical space is free of barriers that block the energy of prosperity and happiness from entering our lives. Tip number 7. Use your main door often in Buddhism. Mindfulness teaches us to be fully present in every action. If you rarely use your front door, the qi around it becomes stagnant. Just as energy needs to circulate in the body for health, it must also flow in and out of your home. By occasionally opening the main entrance, especially on sunny days, you refresh the energy in your home and allow new opportunities to come your way. Buddhist teachings emphasize the importance of staying open to life's experiences. Opening your front door serves as a symbolic gesture of opening yourself to the abundance that the universe offers. When energy flows freely, both in your home and in your life, you naturally invite prosperity. Thank you for staying till the end. Here's the bonus tip: Buddhist talismans for prosperity. In addition to these Feng Shui tips, you can also enhance the energy of your front door with Buddhist talismans. For instance, hanging 6 or 9 Chinese coins on your door represents wealth and blessings from the heavens. In Buddhist culture, these talismans act as reminders of your intention to live in harmony with spiritual principles, attracting both material and spiritual wealth. Bells and wind chimes, when placed at your front door, create a calming and uplifting sound that enhances qi, much like the way Buddhist monks use bells to center their practice. The soothing sound of chimes creates a sense of peace and positivity, reminding you of the inner tranquility that attracts abundance. By integrating Buddhist teachings with Feng Shui principles, you not only improve the aesthetic of your front door, but also transform your home into a space that welcomes prosperity, peace, and happiness. Each step you take is a reflection of your desire to cultivate mindfulness, compassion, and abundance in both your inner and outer world. And if you're ready to take your journey further, click on the next video for even more ways to enhance your home's energy and invite positivity. Also, drop a comment below to let me know which tip you're going to try to enhance your front entrance. I'd love to hear what resonates with you. See you in the next video.